In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the game bar from your Windows 10 display when you're playing different games on your computer. So this should be a fairly quick tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu and you want to type in Settings. Underneath Best Match, the Best Match should say Settings right above Trusted Microsoft Store app. You want to open that up by left clicking on it one time. And now you want to go and select the gaming tile where it says Game Bar, DVR, Broadcasting, and Game Mode. Left click on that. And there should be an option that says record game clips, screenshots, and broadcast using Game Bar. You can deselect this option right here, just to toggle to the off position. You can also uncheck open Game Bar using this button on a controller, as well as unchecking show Game Bar when I play full screen games Microsoft has verified. And once you've done that, you can close out of the settings window, restart your computer, and everything should be good to go. So I hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.